We're trying to find something to eat. That was our main MO. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, okay. Oh wow. Wow, look at that. Oh. I can't stand. I'm like causing traffic accidents right now with my umbrella. Wow. So you just gotta commit. You gotta go in there and then pull down your umbrella. Oh, okay. What's up, guys? We're here at Yongmun 천년시장. I think they call it Millennium Market, but if I had to literally translate it, it would be 1,000-year market. I'll talk about the history of that a little bit more, but I'm here with my mother. This is actually quite close to where I live. It's a much smaller city here, Yongmun. And I'm really impressed that these people are carrying out business sort of as usual with the rain. This is just how Koreans are, hustle mentality. I gotta tell my mother not to speak Korean because I don't want to translate subtitles. Oh wow, look at this. 엄마. No Korean, English. English, please. Okay, wow, well, I guess it doesn't matter that these vegetables get wet because that's how they grew with all this natural rain. Wow. So it just started to pour about I would say 5 minutes ago. So these people are arranging things in a manner that will have them still be relatively dry. Wow. I'm really impressed, particularly with the older ladies. I think the older ladies of Korea are tough as nails. They're amazing. They're the backbone of this country, as some would say. But for reference, guys, right here, this is Yongmun Subway Station. You could actually get here by subway from Seoul. It's just one line. It's a very central line called the Central Joongang Line. And this is, I think there's actually a couple more stations after this, but this is sort of the last station that most of the trains stop at. This is almost as far out as you can get. Alright, I'm gonna go to the central lane, but let me just explore what's on the side.
먹을 거 있나 봐.
Yeah, so me and my mother, we're trying to find something to eat. That was our main MO. Oh my god.
Ooh.
That's just, look at she's having to poke it because it's gathering so much rain. Oh, this is really hard to vlog and shoot at the same time. Cuz you got to be courteous to the other people around here. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh. Oh. He said leave. Because it's getting wet. But wow. Okay. They have food here. Oh. 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 Wow. Oh, this is chicken here?
치킨 먹을까?
Oh, so the chicken is only less than $7. Oh, I see why they don't want us to come in. It's literally spilling.
이거 얼마예요?
The umbrella could be spilling. Huh? 근데 지금 이 상태가 빨리 가야 될 것 같아. 지금 이 상태가 좀 안 좋아. I can't stand. I'm like causing traffic accidents right now with my umbrella. Wow. So you just gotta commit. You gotta go in there and then pull down your umbrella. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank God I'm wearing a Gore-Tex jacket right now. I was gonna fly a drone over here, but that's not gonna happen. If it stops raining, I will. Oh, okay, so some quick facts. 죄송합니다. Yeah, he's saying your umbrella, because it's getting stuff in there.
난리도 아니다. 아우.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're dodging. 엄마, 우산 바꾸자.
나 안 돼.
아니, 이 우산이 더 커.
뭐가
근데
더 커?
안 보여. It doesn't. I'm gonna trade umbrellas with my mother because
아이씨.
you can't see ahead. Like she's covering the view.
차에 큰 우산이 있는데.
Oh wow. Okay, I'm having to basically crouch and walk. Oh, look at all this grilled meat. Oh my god. This is such chaos. This is like, my mom's like, are you sure you want to go on a rainy day? It certainly makes the video far more interesting. I should do this more often. If I wasn't filming right now, I'd have a lot more fun. Oh wow.
와.
But okay, I'm like tilting the umbrella to the side so it doesn't get the. Oh, this is pretty good. It's less than $5 for these. Wow.
이게 많은가?
My mother's gonna get one.
비가 오고 난리네요. 우.
Ooh.
오늘 같은 날은 막 서비스도 더 줘야
Good
돼.
looking, healthy man selling healthy mushrooms.
자, 뽕 담아서 5,000원씩 하세요. 양 많이 담았습니다. 떨입니다.
Alright.
자, 뽕 담아서 5,000원씩.
Oh, look at this. The ladies are enjoying
자, 뽕 담아서 5,000원씩밖에 없습니다.
bibimbap behind us. Oh, okay.
자, 볶아 드시고 묵국도 끓여보시고.
Wow. Okay, so there's a lot to eat here. We may just have to come back when I'm not filming and then look at it more carefully. Okay, this is all the fried foods. Oh, nothing like rice wine and deep fried foods. Oh, on a rainy day. Actually, Koreans believe it's the best time to be drinking. Wow, 맛있겠다. Oh, where's my mother? My mother is way back there. Oh my god. Maybe I should help her. Oh, 엄마, you need help?
응?
Oh, you need help? She doesn't need help. Okay.
이건 얼만데요?
네, 10,000원인데요. 언니 지금 비 오니까 내가 9,000원에
Alright. 와, 여기 먹을 거 많다.
먹을 게 다 거기서 거기다.
아, 근데 뭐 이런 거랑, you know, like this, 엄마, and 막걸리?
막걸리?
막걸리, 엄마?
나는 막걸리 안 먹고 너나 먹어.
Okay, so you have no idea how exhausted I am. I hope you could excuse me for going the non-crowded central route. 엄마! 엄마! Oh, she's looking at the flowers. Alright, I'm gonna just sort of... Maybe you will be interested in these flowers. Actually, this is interesting. I've never seen these kinds of mini flowers. Like mini tree, it almost looks like bonsais. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're sort of like bonsais. 오, 엄마! 지금 이거를 지금 사면 어떻게 돌아다녀?
가벼우니까 괜찮아.
Oh, okay. My mom is a trooper. I was just like, how are you gonna walk around with all that stuff? And she's like, it's light, so it's okay. Alright. I'm not gonna tell my mother what to do or not to do. Ooh. Oh, okay, so here, this is a good opportunity for you to tell you about this market. It's a traditional 5일장. So 5 means 5. So it's every 5 days. So this place opens regardless of the day of the week. It doesn't matter if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It simply opens on the 5th, the 10th, the 15th in increments of 5. So be aware that when you come here, that they're only going to open on every
차에 우산 갖고 자. 이거 우산 차에 있는데.
alternating. Huh? 엄마, what do you mean? We have umbrella.
차에 우산 있는데 왜 이렇게 이거
What do you mean?
갖고 자고 우산.
이게 우산 아니? This is 우산.
더 큰 걸로 차에.
Okay, my mother wants to get bigger umbrella. 엄마. 우산이 더 크면은 여기 못 돌아다녀. You can't walk there. Cause you're gonna get the water inside the food. See, do you guys understand what I mean? If you walk around with a big umbrella, the little droplets, they get on the food and the products. That's why the merchants were rightfully like saying, hey, umbrella. So they're very concerned about the sanitation of it all. Yeah. People are really sensitive right now. So.
여보 먹는다며.
Oh.
뭐 먹고 싶은데?
엄마, English. What do you wanna eat?
What do you want to eat? What do you want?
What do you want? I want Makgolli and 파전.
막걸리?
So that like a good Christian woman would say. Alcohol? Yes, your son wants alcohol.
Good Christian 아니래도 I don't like 막걸리.
So even if I wasn't Christian, okay, why am I translating her English? You guys figure it out. I figure it out too perfectly well. You know, I don't have a degree in Konglish, but
콩글리시 코리안 콩글리시.
okay. Yes, but I learned just by dealing with this woman. Okay, so why do they call it a 1,000-year market, however? Because I noticed everything here they refer to 1,000 years, the 1,000-year city, the 1,000-year Ginko tree. You see, you'll notice the Ginko leaf up there. So there's a really famous mountain here called Yongmun Mountain. That's what this city is named after. Dragon Mountain. They literally think that, you know, through folk tales, etc., you know, the folklore is that, well, they don't literally think that there's dragons. I mean, Koreans are quite modern now, but back in the days there was a folklore. There was a dragon here, etc. So they called it Dragon Mountain. And there is also a very famous Buddhist temple on the foothills, like most famous mountains in Korea. And oh, look at this. Oh, the rain's died down a bit. Oh, it was just really oh, these kiwis are huge. That's not Korean though. Okay, yeah, like these pears and apples, they're Korean, domestic. Oh, so I don't know if this video is gonna come out before it, but I did another one of Wonju Traditional Market. And right now, I found a little bit more about why they're selling all this ginseng, expensive ginseng in the street market for so cheap. The prices of ginseng have gone down so much in Korea because that particular product is heavily dependent on tourists, particularly Chinese. They come here and they buy up all the ginseng because there's a reputation that Korean ginseng is the best. But none of that tourism has been coming because of the situation that we got. And ginseng takes about 5 years minimum to plant and harvest. So about 5 years ago, a bunch of ginseng farmers planted a bunch, and now they're supposed to reap the rewards. But you know, the situation happened and ginseng prices have plummeted. They say it hasn't been this low since 1988 or something. So it's a really ridiculously low price. Opportunity for us to buy ginseng and enjoy the health benefits of it. All natural ones, but they were literally protesting out by City Hall by burning like a ton of like literally a ton of it, like a truckload full of it, saying the government needs to do something to protect our prices, etc. I don't know what the government can do, honestly, except maybe just give subsidies to hold them out. But all the businesses here are sort of suffering. But yeah, that's why ginseng prices are so low right now. All right, so I'm walking sort of directly ahead of the subway station. If you haven't noticed, I backtracked. Not much food here, aside from the little side stores.
진짜 크다.
Oh, see, my mom initially said, "Oh, we got one in Yangpyeong," but now she admits it's bigger. Oma, English.
Hmm?
English, please.
What kind of
Yes,
English?
it took me so long to do the subtitles.
Too big than Yangpyeong.
It's bigger. Yes.
Bigger than Yangpyeong.
Bigger than Yangpyeong, yes. All right.
차에다 이거 넣자. 차가 어딨지?
We're gonna, Oma, let's go to the side, main market, okay?
오케이.
Okay.
근데 우리 차가 어디 있었지?
Our car, I know where it is. Don't worry.
차에다 놓고 오고 다시
No,
하자.
no, don't worry. Oh, you wanna? Okay. I think
Yeah.
she wants to put. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, maybe we will just detour a bit and then. Over here.
다시 가야지.
Oh.
난 콩을 샀더니 무거워.
We will. Okay, before we go to the main area of Yongmun 시장,
입구에서 들어가야 돼.
we'll backtrack and then let my mother put all the stuff she's carrying. I can't. I feel bad because I can't help her because I'm holding an umbrella with one hand and the camera with the other. Oh, these donuts, Korean donuts, they're less than $1 each. That's very affordable. Like in, ooh, mozzarella grilled cheese. That's less than $1. If you watch my video of the camping festival and the food festival that I attended in Kunsan, that was I represented Imshil, which is where all the cheese is produced here in Korea, most of it. It's really good, I have to say. Korean cheese. It might sound like, oh, what? Korean's cheese? But Koreans have been doing cheese for decades now in that region. Yeah, all of this is actually quite affordable. Oh, it smells so good. What is this smell? Toraji. Okay, so they're selling honey and different kinds of, I believe that's a root. Oh, and those are ginger extracts, 생강, and let's see what else we got here. This says kalguksu, so knife noodles. Literal translation. They call it knife noodles because back in the days they cut that type of noodle literally with a knife, so it has a very thick, sort of rough texture. The Koreans like that. They also like the thinly processed ones, but let's get. Oh, these are shrimp, fermented shrimp. That's what they throw in kimchi sometimes. That makes it fishy. Otherwise, kimchi shouldn't be fishy. Depending on your preference, you could and cannot do that. I insist on not doing that. Although, you know, it's not too overpowering. Okay, so back to the 1,000 years, what the significance is. My best guess is there's a very famous Ginko tree in the temple that I'm talking about, at the foothills of Dragon Mountain. This iconic mountain with this iconic Buddhist temple. The main tourist attraction of that temple is this tree, and then they think it's 1,000 years old. It's ridiculously big. I've never seen a Ginko tree that big. So I don't know if it's literally 1,000 years, but that's what the legend says, and that's why everything is like 1,000 years, or Dragon Mountain, Yongmun. So you'll see those terms phrased around here in Yongmun. Oh my gosh, look.
다 했어. 이제 엄마 갖다
More of
놓고
these.
먹자고.
Toraji. So toraji is the sort of, it's not ginseng, but it's also a very healthy root. It's really good if they make kimchi out of it. It's really good, sort of as a as a side with makgolli. I haven't released this video, but when I went to, oh my gosh. Oh. Wow. Okay. I'm trying to not hit anybody's eyes and poke anybody's eyes out with my umbrella right now. Okay. So they're sort of clearing out everything. Oh, more toraji and todok. Yes. These are so good, and they're so good for you too, these roots. They're expensive. Okay, things have calmed down a bit. Business is returning to normal. A lot of honey here. A lot of honey being sold. Ooh. This is royal jelly. Wow, look at that. Okay. Gotta make slow, steady movements. Oh, they're selling chestnuts. I drive around this region quite a lot because it's right next to my home, and I can find chestnuts just literally on the streets. I should probably go collect more chestnuts, but these old ladies, they know exactly where they are. They know all the good spots. So it's just like every year they'll go out to these spots, collect bushel loads of chestnuts, and sell it. I'm gonna sort of wrap up here, and then I'll check back with you back at the main area. Oh, look at this. This is a really chill restaurant. Makguksu. So makguksu is like tasty noodles. It's usually like a colder noodle. So yeah, anyways, I'll check back with you guys after we put my mother's stuff away. Oh, pretty ingenious. Roasted in that cast iron pot. Back to the subway station here, Yongmun Station. And the rain has somewhat died down a bit, where I'm gonna just wear my raincoat and show you guys around this area. Hopefully in a little less chaotic, hectic move as we head to the main area. 엄마. Okay.
갔거든요.
아니요, 다이어트 하고 살아야 돼.
비 안 와, 이제.
That's great. Okay, so I noticed that they covered it with plastic so the water droplets don't get in there. Even though it's a street market, I'm very impressed with how sanitary they try to keep everything here. I really appreciate that. I don't mind them yelling at us, telling us to get our filthy umbrellas out of their products, because that results in, honestly, a better end product. And they're ooh, okay. Oh wow. Wow, look at that. Oh, smells so good. You know, they have chicken also in Thailand. It's quite common to have fried chicken. But I like the fried chicken out here in Korea, even if I was... there's many reasons, but I'll tell you one reason that this is a deal breaker. Is, the oils they use here, it's just better. The palm oil, it just has like a specific, really, yeah, cheap scent to it that I can't get used to. This is pork product. 이거는 what is this, 엄마? Pig
껍질,
skin?
돼지 껍질, 스킨.
Pig skin.
pig skin.
Okay, I've never had pig skin.
I like pig skin.
I like pig skin.
Pig
Okay.
skin very much.
I feel
Very good
like
for very good for woman.
very good for women.
Skin.
Oh, skin. Yes, collagen. I feel like an English teacher.
Collagen.
again. Yes, collagen. Oh,
Collagen.
look at this hot dog.
에이, 샷.
Korean hot dogs. She just hit me. Being a mother. Not good for you. Not good for your skin.
순두부.
Sundubu.
순두부 좋다.
Oh, this looks good.
응.
Oh, this is all natural sundubu. 엄마,
응?
let's oh, you know what? We detoured out of the main area because I was just getting caught up.
뭐야?
I don't know what it is.
아,
막창?
막창.
게 막창, 이게 도대체
Oh, these are intestines. 소막창이죠? 돼지요.
이거 먹자, 소고기
pig
껍데기.
intestines. And
이렇게?
oh, those are tails and 껍데기. Oh, 이게 만 원?
응.
Oh, that's only less than $10 for all this. Wow, you just get that, 3 buddies and a bottle of soju or rice wine, and that's a party. Oh, wow, I really like this traditional market. Okay, this is my second time through this area. Oh, this is really good too, with soju or rice wine, just grilled fish, because it has like that salty taste. Just drink a cup of rice wine, and all you need is just a chopstick pick of that fish, and you're good. That will last you an hour. Ooh, wow. 엄마,
예?
두부
이거 샀어?
really good. 순두부. Oh. Okay, so we're back to where we were. I'll just check out the last remaining food stalls here. I'm pretty sure that the main area is gonna have food as well. But look at that. Okay, so this is the big teppanyaki. And then they got all the fried foods. They'll fry everything, but a lot of these are vegetables that they fry. So it's got healthy elements.
이거 먹어?
Good, this looks good.
이거 하나 먹어?
수수 볶음이
응. 메밀전병. 이거 먹자.
What is that?
메밀전병.
Okay. I think that's what these things are called.
메밀국수 있잖아. 우리 집 밑에
어.
중미산 국수 파는데 메밀. 먹어?
My mother wants to settle for this, but no, not yet.
집에서 안 먹는 거
You'll
먹어야지.
notice this is a trend between my parents and me whenever we walk around. Let's eat, and I'm just like, not yet.
어디가?
Not yet, guys. There's still more. We'll show you a bit more. Let's see here. We're going down this little alleyway here. It's starting to rain again. Oh no. And you see, there is the main area. 엄마, 버섯 국밥 거리. 천년시장. The translation goes into Millennium Market, Mushroom Soup Road. So mushroom soup must be big here. All right, I'm having to go back into umbrella mode. But here we could go high.
버섯국밥 먹자.
Oh, 버섯 국밥 looks good.
응.
So, 국밥 actually is talking to a Korean dish where you put rice in the soup. So generally you have soup in Korea with your meals, but when you're throwing rice into the soup, it's sort of like a breakfast. You're not making it complicated with a bunch of other sides. You just get the basic soup and you throw rice and you call it a day. So that means the soup has to be that good. My mom, I think, was calling out to me. Oh. Okay, she's buying clothes. Girls' clothes, women's
저런
clothes,
드레스는
아줌마
얼마인데요?
clothes. Alright, let's see what we got here. Wow, the prices are actually quite decent here. They got the pig head 국밥, that's less than $6. The 두부김치, so that is a dish with tofu and kimchi and usually pork. That's less than $10. You know what? Whenever I'm in the subway, right? Yongmun is very notorious because all the old folks from Seoul, they get on the subway because subway is free for old folks, and they travel all the way to Yongmun to meet their friends and to hike. And I see them all the time.
여기가 먹거리야.
Huh?
여기가 먹거리야.
Yes.
아,
Mother,
나는
English.
이런 게 관심
English.
있어, 우경.
What is Makgolli?
와,
Alright.
얼마씩이에요?
Makgolli literally means like, well, it's not literal, but the term is sort of referred to as like street food road. So, literal translation is eating road. See, alright, so you got the Yongmun Millennium Market here. This is their iconic centerpiece. You got the Ginko tree, and then the dragon. Looks like they got something up there. That's nice. We'll have to check that out. Let's see. Do I have time to check it out when my mother's checking out her hats? Lady doing shopping. Oh, so the rice wine here is very famous. They make it out of Ginko. I think the Ginko nuts, most likely. Pretty sure it's not the leaf, but it's a Ginko tree Makgolli. Oh wow, yeah, look at this. So you could get your food downstairs and come up here and eat. So this flooring right here is sort of like the flooring that they have in your home. So you could probably even, well, if they force everybody, this type of floor you sort of go barefoot. So it has that feel. And then I really like how they did this. You could be sitting along here with your friends and eating. It's sort of like the bar area, I guess. And then they have a bunch of pictures and different things that this area is known for featured here. This is another very famous thing that they have. Yeojjubang. I sort of want to have this too. Yeojjubang. I don't know what the heck that is. They're also known for their vegetable mandu dumplings. Yeah, this is nice. All right, I'm gonna, guys, forgive me, but I need to go down. My mother isn't the most direction gifted person. 엄마,
어딨어?
I am here. By the way, that cafe says 1,000-year cafe. Telling you, everything here is like 1,000년, 1,000-year.
버섯 먹는다며. 버섯 볶밥 먹는다며. 여기 버섯 육개장집이다.
Oh.
버섯이 얼마나 들어갔는가가 문제지.
Oh, let's see. I think it's cheap, 엄마. 버섯. Mushroom. 엄마, this way, this way, this way. Let's cover everything and make sure. I'm a shopper. I like to make sure I'm getting the best deal. So,
근데 어떻게 여기는 공중 화장실이 안 보여?
well, what my mother is talking about is that there isn't enough public restrooms. I just sort of have to check this out. Point it out, guys. Korea is the land of Tekken. Undisputed champions in Tekken. That's why they got all those Tekken arcade consoles. Yes. When you think of Korea, it is not Street Fighter. It is Tekken. Koreans look down on, well, what do you say? Simpleton 2D graphic, 2D plain Street Fighter. They believe in Tekken. Alright, oh, I lost my mom again. Alright, so this main area of the market actually isn't the main. Interesting. All the action is sort of happening outside. 엄마!
나는 순두부 그게 있으면 참 좋겠다.
엄마!
뭐 먹을?
What do you like more? 엄마? Do you like inside
I don't
here
like anything.
or outside?
I don't know.
I don't know. Do you want to eat inside or outside?
Inside.
You want to eat it inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat what you want to eat.
I
What do you-
didn't find it.
Well,
I didn't find it.
I didn't find it.
Uh.
Okay. I feel like my mother's English is at the same level it was when she first was learning English in Kenya, like back in like 1990.
너 배고프잖아. You are hungry.
Yes,
Are
I am
you?
hungry too now. I'm hungry too.
I'm
Okay.
not hungry.
Huh?
I think you're hungry, but I'm not hungry.
No, I'm not as hungry as you are.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes, yes. Okay. I think this is 버섯국밥, 엄마. So
Too heavy.
they put different kinds of 버섯 in there.
하나만 나눠 먹자.
Mushrooms. Oh, you want to share one?
Too much for me.
Okay, yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Let's just 맛만봐. Let's just taste. Yes, let's just taste how it is.
나 하나 먹어도 되는지 모르겠다.
They have different puzzles. Oh look, they got mushroom bibimbap as well. Less than $100.
능이버섯
I mean, $10
돌솥밥 있다. 능이버섯 돌솥밥 먹자.
아니 국밥을 한번 먹어봐야지.
이거 말고?
I never had 국밥. I mean, I've had
여기 있다. 능이버섯 국밥.
mushroom. I had soups, Korean soups with mushrooms in it. They put them all the time, but I haven't
여기
had
가야지.
one where it is so featured that the title of the soup is 국밥. This isn't like the
가자.
most affordable place, but I wanna try it. I wanna see what the hype is about.
신발 벗고 들어오시면 정리해드릴게요.
네.
All right.
아우 촉촉해.
Cool. Alright, let's just sit here. Alright, so here it is. This is all the free sides that come with it. Very customary for Korean food. Let's see what the hype is about. Oh, that jellyfish looking like thing is also mushrooms.
머쉬룸이 얼마나 여러 가지인데.
Oh, there's lots of mushrooms in there. My mother really likes it.
My favorite.
Yeah, I thought that was kimchi that's thrown in there, but there's lots of different kinds of mushrooms.
My favorite mushroom.
My favorite mushroom, my mother says. And they got I think that's puchu, right? The miniature green onion like things.
Mushroom many kinds.
Yeah, and then oh wow. Alright, so let me try this too. Oh, it looks like it has a sort of spicy flavor to it. But I could usually tell just based on the color of the soup if there's a lot of MSG or if not. This just looks very clean. Not very MSG. Probably mainly just organic chili powder. My mother's like, I want to keep coming here just to eat this.
He doesn't like this.
Appa doesn't like this. Yes, he's
I'm not
my.
happy.
So my mother tells me mushrooms themselves are MSG. And it has that umami flavor, so that's why you don't need the MSG. Oh wow. This is really good, guys. Usually mushroom, it has like, I don't know how you describe that aftertaste or scent, but the chili powder, it captures that and it doesn't make it too, mushroomy. It has a bit of a kick to it. That's why I like it. Guys, I'm like so full. This thing is just full of mushrooms. Me and my mother are sharing it, and we're really full. So I think the price is actually very good. I mean, for a soup, 10,000 won is usually on the higher end, but if they're using all natural mushrooms and you're getting full of it, that's actually a bargain. Alright guys, so we're now on the main road of Yongmun. This is too small to be called a city. Town. And I'm trying to find this wall road where they have a bunch of pictures and artwork drawn on it. The store owner said that it's old and then it's going through reconstruction, so I don't know how it's gonna end up looking like. But what I did find funny is his definition of old is 7 years old. So they're renovating it. God darn, why is it so loud? They're advertising that they have barley rice that they're selling. That is very, very affordable. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oma, look. They're already leaving. So this is the countryside, guys. Definitely should come here early because country folks are good folks. They go to bed early and they rise up early. So this is around 5 o'clock now. Alright, after some wandering, we found it's right next to the traditional market. It is going through some kind of a renovation. But I see some pictures or patterns on the side of the old buildings here. It's so loud in the Shijang, but oh, here it is. Hello, yellow Yongmun. So I felt like an idiot saying, where's the yellow road? I thought it would be like a yellow brick road, like Yeah. Oh, okay. My mother makes a good point. Yellow probably signifies the fall foliage of the Ginko trees, which becomes yellow. Oh, okay. Yeah, like right here, like these leaves. That's their color. All right. Interesting. All right, guys. Hello, yellow Yongmun. I guess I could say I came here before it's all been renovated and changed forever. But it looks like definitely there's gonna be more stuff happening very soon when you come. Just want to document that this is how they get these set up. It's not like Thailand where somebody is, oh my god, pushing a food cart down the main road. Oh wow. Yeah, Koreans are technically the best drivers in the world. I don't know how they manage to do all that. This is so crowded. That's impressive. I don't know how all those trucks set up shop. There's still one more thing I want to try. I want to try the makgolli here. The Ginko makgolli. Alright, let's see. Maybe we can grab makgolli here. Alright guys, so my plan was to end up at the street food area and try some of the Ginko nut makgolli, which you can only get here in Yongmun. But they're all closed. And it's strangely the street market over here on the side, they mainly sell only the Gyeonggido makgolli. So I don't know what's going on with that. I did see the Ginko nut makgolli at the mushroom place that we were eating at. So it does exist. Definitely check it out. That's unique. And then there's this other bread called Yosu bread. You should also check that out too. And they also have Ginko nut rice. The rice from this region is really good. I could attest to that from the rice that they served us from the mushroom soup. It's some of the best that I've had from the new harvest. Oma, what did you think of Yongmun Market?
I think it was good,
Alright.
but bad.
Wait.
It's raining.
Bad because it's raining. Yes. Although I don't know if I would recommend you come here on a sunny day, because this definitely added to a unique experience, a hectic ambiance of what traditional markets are supposed to have. Whatever the case, let me know in the comments below whether or not you liked it or not, or you like only the sunny street markets. But they do say rice wine goes the best on a rainy day, along with some Korean pancakes. So unfortunately I didn't get to do it. We'll do it next time, guys. See you next time for more Live Travel Asia vlogs. Bye bye.